In this video, we will learn about GST Returns utility for combining GST returns. This GST Returns utility is completely free. Go to your browser and type www.gstsky.com and press on search button or press enter. This GST site will appear on the top. If sometime you do not see the gstsky.com, you can scroll down. If you do not see, make sure you type www.gstsky.com. Click on this Merge GST.com link. You will be directed to homepage. On homepage, we have option to merge GSTR-1, GSTR-2A, GSTR-2B and GSTR-3B returns. Let us see how this GST return merge utility works. Let us try to merge GSTR-2B returns, which I have downloaded from GST.gov.in government portal. Click on this Merge GSTR-2B icon. On clicking this icon, this page will appear. Click on this Choose Files icon and browse where you have kept your GSTR-2B downloaded files. I have kept it on desktop, so let us click on desktop. My files are in GST return folder, so let us click it. My files is under this folder, so let me click it. Now these are my GSTR-2B Excel files. You want to merge all this GSTR-2B files, press Ctrl. This will select all your files. If you want to merge only selected files, press Ctrl and select only those files which you want to merge. I want to merge all GSTR-2B returns in this file, so let me select all. Click on this button. Now you can see all. 4 files are showing here. Now press Submit button. Now my files are uploading, as you can see here. Now all my files has been uploaded, as you can see here, success message. Now click on this Download Process File button. Now my files are merging and being processed, as you can see here. Wait for a few seconds. Your merged file along with analysis report will be downloaded in your browser download path. As you can see, my file has been downloaded here. Click here and then right-click your mouse. You will see here show in folder option. Click on it, will direct you where. Your processed file has been downloaded. This is my processed file. Let us open it. As you can see, this file has opened. On analysis report sheet, you all monthly combined result is being shown. This is B2B summary excluding reverse charge. This is B2B summary under reverse charge. This is monthly summary of all credit notes and debit notes. This is monthly summary of all import of goods invoices. This is monthly summary of all import of goods invoices from SES. Now this B2B all invoices sheet shows all B2B invoices from all my uploaded files, which has been merged into this single files. You can further analyze all this sheet by applying pivot to this sheet. This sheet have all the columns as you can. This is reverse charge column. This is ITC availability columns. In the end, this is file name columns from which this data has come. This is the return period, and this column is financial year of the invoice. Similarly, all on this credit debit note invoices sheet, all credit note and debit note are available. Similarly, all invoices of import of goods will be available on these sheets. Similarly, you can merge and analyze the other GSTR-1, GSTR-2A and GSTR-3B returns. If you have not signed in, click on this login icon. This will direct you to e-login page. You can sign it through your Gmail ID. It is absolutely free, and no charge is payable by you.